Good morning, grade 3. We're in English week 6 now. Our lesson is two-syllable words. Let's start. Let's review. A syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken word. In Tagalog, it's pantig or pagpapantig. Syllables also usually contain a vowel, the a, e, I, o, u, and accompanying consonants. Sometimes syllables are referred to as the beats of spoken language. So let's proceed to the next slide to see the beat. One syllable. Let's read. Pen, pen, pin. Again, pen, pen, pin. To know the syllable, we can add some clapping. For example, the word pen. Let's add some clap to know the syllable. Pen. So how many clap did we say for the word pen? It's just one clap. That's why it has one syllable. Another is pen. It has one clap. So that's why it has one syllable. But how about the last example? Pencil. So how many claps do we have? So there are two claps. That's why it doesn't have one syllable. It has two syllables. Here are the words with two syllables. Let's read first. Apple, teacher, student, river, doctor. Let's start with apple. Apple. So the word apple, we start with the first syllable. Ap dash pole. So that's the syllabication. Next, T dash chir. That's the syllabication for teacher. Stu dash dent. Re dash ver and doc dash star. Now let's have some beat. Ap ball. How many claps? Two. Because we're studying two syllables here. Next, T chir. Stu dent. How many claps again per student? Two. Next, re, ver. So there are again two claps for two syllables. And last one is doc, tar. Two claps for two syllables. I hope you understand this. Learning task 1. Choose from the box below a two-syllable word that describes each picture. Write the correct answers in your notebook. Number 1, we have first picture, second picture, third, fourth, and fifth. Now, you have to look at the box for the choices. We have coffin, mitten, ribbon, basket, and tunnel. For example, for number 1, it's basket. So you can see the spelling of basket as B-A-S-K-E-T. So you have to write properly. And do not forget the word basket has two syllables. Learning task 2. Read the words below, count and write the number of syllables for each word in your notebook. Let's read. Number 1, notebook. Number 2, picture. 3, pencil. 4, paper. And 5, copy. Let's try number 1, notebook. So how many syllables? Note, book. There are two syllables. Then you write the number. Learning task 3. Choose the two-syllable word that fits each sentence. Write your answers in your notebook. So we have here velvet, button, rabbit, cotton, and candle. Number 1, the blank hid in the burrow. Number 2, the actress wore a blank dress. 3, the blank lighted the dark room. 4. The blank of my house was lost. And number 5. The grandfather loved to wear a blank shirt. There are some photos for your reference for the rabbit, velvet, candle, button, and cotton. For learning task 4, write in your notebook the correct syllabication of the two-syllable words below. Window, herself, tennis, plastic, shelter. Here is an example. Number 1, window. Win, dash, do. Win, dash, do. So that's syllabication. Thank you very much for listening. Maraming salamat po. I hope you learned something today in English.